Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious French toast. First, gather your ingredients. Thick-cut bread, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and a pinch of cinnamon. Whisk the eggs, milk, and cinnamon together in a shallow dish. This simple batter is the foundation for perfect French toast. Now, gently dip each slice of bread into the egg mixture, ensuring both sides are evenly coated. Don't let it soak too long, or your toast will be soggy. Heat a lightly buttered griddle or frying pan over medium heat. Place the dipped bread onto the hot surface, giving it space to cook properly. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. On another note, imagine enjoying your perfect French toast while diving into a great book. The new Kindle Paperwhite lets you read anywhere, anytime. Check the description below for a link and other fantastic deals. Now let's get back to the video. Cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Once done, transfer your French toast to a plate. Serve it immediately with your favorite toppings. A drizzle of maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dusting of powdered sugar makes it extra special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.